I welcome you for the today's session. The subject is science. Okay, in the science, today we'll start with the revision. Okay, FA2 revision. Science, the portions is lesson 3 and 4. Read all question and answers, everything from the lesson 3 and 4. You should read the textbook also. Then, today we'll start revising lesson 3 and 4. I'll just revise fill in the blanks, true or false, and some examples. Okay, answer the following. Evening I'll be sending the notes. Otherwise you have already written the answer the following. Just go through the classwork. Okay, today we'll revise this. Shall we start, children? Yes. The larva of housefly is called maggot. The larva of a housefly is called maggot. Okay, larva of housefly is maggot. Keep in mind. The egg of frog hatches into a tadpole. Directly it won't come baby. Okay, it will hatches into a tadpole. Then eggs store food in the form of albumin or yolk. Yolk is a yellow part of this yellow part of the egg. Okay, yolk. This will store a food for the baby bird. Whale is a mammal. Okay, even though whale is a water animal, it is a mammal. It will care for its baby. Okay, whale. Remember, WHALE, whale is a mammal. White liquid part of egg is called albumin. Yellow part is called yolk. White part is called albumin. Keep in mind. The baby of cockroach is called nymph. Okay. Here you can observe, see, egg, nymph, adult cockroach. So, like that, baby of cockroach is nymph. Then, the yellow part inside egg is called albumin. It's wrong statement. Yellow part inside the egg is yolk. All living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies. No, it's wrong because few beings lay eggs also. Then frogs egg do not have shells. It is true statement. The larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. Yes, it is true. The larva of housefly is called maggot. The larva of butterfly, caterpillar. Housefly, maggot. Remember, lizards and crocodiles are reptiles. Yes, it is true. Give an example. Mammals. Mammals means they'll care for the baby. Cat, dog, cow, all the domestic animals will come under mammals. Egg laying animals. Snake, frog. Okay, snake, frog, birds also will lay eggs. Animals which do not take care of their young ones. Remember, snake and lizard, reptiles, crocodiles, snakes, lizards. Okay, these reptiles will not care for the baby. Reptiles will not care for the baby. Then this caterpillar. Caterpillar is a larva of butterfly. Maggot is a larva of housefly. Tadpole is frog. Biggest egg is ostrich because biggest bird is ostrich, so it will give big egg. Nymph is a baby of cockroach. Okay, remember all this and read all this properly. Then this multiple choice question. The eggs of frog hatch into, we said no before itself, tadpole. Which of the following does not reproduce by laying eggs? Which of the following is does not reproduce by laying eggs? It is cat. Cat will not lay eggs directly. It will give birth to baby. Then larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. Then which of the following does not care for its young ones? Reptiles. Which among these is reptiles? Yes, it is lizard. The number of stages in the life cycle of housefly. Housefly, it is 2 stages. Then the white part in the egg is called albumin. White part is albumin, yellow part is yolk. The eggs of fish is called the following. Eggs of fish is called spawn. Then the baby of a cockroach is called nymph. Okay. We'll revise the lesson 4, care and protection of animals. Answer the following. It's already there in your classwork. Read that. Now fill in the blanks. We'll read. Plants get carbon dioxide from the air for making food. Plants get carbon dioxide from the air for making. The plants use carbon dioxide. No, so it is right. The air we breathe, it contains more. What we'll breathe? We'll breathe oxygen. So air we breathe contains more oxygen. National park and sanctuaries are places where wild animals are protected. Okay, not hunted. We'll protect. To protect animals and this one birds, we'll make a national park and sanctuaries. Then plants need protection against diseases and pests. Okay, diseases. Then sick and sick animals are treated in a veterinary hospitals. Animals, veterinary hospital made for the animals. Okay, keep in a mind. Then extreme cold is good for the growth of plant. It is wrong because in extreme cold it won't. Then green plants make their own food. It's true. Then plants give out oxygen while making their food. Correct. Animals' waste can be used for making gobar gas. Correct. The air we breathe contains more oxygen and less carbon dioxide. Yes. No, it is wrong because in the atmosphere both is sorry, the air we breathe contains more oxygen and less carbon dioxide. Correct. What we will breathe contains this one more oxygen. Then pests do not cause harm to the plants. Of course it will cause a pest means insects. Okay, this will cause harm. These are harmful to plants, so it is wrong statement. Then green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. Then plants kept in the dark do not grow well because plants need a sunlight. If we keep in a dark place, it will not grow well. Then forest prevent floods. Okay, since it will hold the sun, it will prevent the floods. Domestic animals need proper sanitization. We should care them. Plants need care against pests and diseases. Please read all these children. Then read this multiple choice question. Our national bird is peacock. Watering and manuring are necessary for the growth of crops. Crops are protected from the pests and insects by spraying pesticides. How to protect the plant from the pests and insects? By spraying these pesticides. Plants and animals help in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen. This Kanha National Park is in Madhya Pradesh. Our national animal is tiger. Keep all in your mind. Please read everything from the lesson 3 and 4. Thank you, children.